Good morning to all my awesome followers and friends. I went over to Dollar Tree today and I got, as you can see, lots of merchandise for new post. Grandma's getting ready for Halloween. And as you can see, she did buy quite a few things. We'll have to wait and see how it turns out. What I can put together without spending too much money. That is the real trick at doing this channel. Keeping the spending down and the quality up and getting as many different content up as I can. I have so much here, and believe it or not, I bought everything you see for under $20 because everything here is only $1. And we have so many projects. Well, hard to believe, I have 15 items, so I spent $15 because these are all from Dollar Tree. And I'm not quite sure how many projects I can make out of these items, but we will start. Now, you also understand, Grandma likes to repurpose a lot of stuff. So you may see some of these things this Halloween season in more than one video just being used in different ways. So that's very possible also. Now, another thing I liked about these items I got, let's see if I can get it to work. This I thought that was so cute. I just couldn't believe it. And then these light up also. Little lanterns. So I think they make some cute things for some vignettes and stuff. So we'll see how it works out. And I hope you enjoyed this shopping haul I got. And these here are, I don't think these are rings or just, I think these are just spiders. And they have little neon bodies. Now, believe it or not, I had some bugs in my garden about a year ago, last summer, and they're on those videos, where they actually had bodies, this brightly orange, if you can believe it. Oh yeah, it frightened me to death. They were some kind of tomato bug. And then I have these cute tomatoes, tomatoes with a brain, pumpkins, to use for some projects. And here's some more spiders. And these aren't rings either, I don't think. I think these are just things you connect to stuff. And I have a lot of wreaths, so I'm going to put them on the wreath. Now, these are rings. And we'll see how I use those, too. They'll probably go on to some kind of display. I like little jewels, sparkly things, and that's why I got those. And then these bats. Oh, my gosh, I love these bats. So we'll see. I'm probably going to put the bat with this pumpkin, and we'll see how that works out. And these bats, my favorite thing, have clips on them, and there's 4 of them. And you guys all know I have loopy yarn wreaths that I make, and I clip those things on, and then I can easily take them off without gluing and messing them up. So that's probably where they're going to be going. So I think this is about all I'm going to show you on this. I hope you enjoyed my shopping haul from Dollar Tree. Don't forget, if you're not already following me, please consider it joining in. We love having you here. My channel is designed for adults interested in gardening, home decor, cooking, cleaning, shopping hauls. Occasionally I will do a road trip, and now I'm also doing inspirational talks. I just started doing it here in the last couple of months. I really am enjoying it. I'm getting a good response from you. So I've decided I'm going to start doing that also. And I do join in with a lot of challenges on my channel. And I also love helping new YouTubers if they need help. So when I say I am here to like for support. No, I'm here to help you. I'm not here as a channel that's just going to want you to join and that's it. No, we're here to build a relationship with, and that's what my channel is about. And so if you're interested in building relationships, join my channel. I am here to help you the best I can to my ability. Now, keep in mind, I have no technical ability, so if you need technical help, I know a lot of people that can help you, but I'm not one. Well, that's all we have to say today. Love you all. Kisses and hugs until the next video. Bye-bye.